Hello everyone, this is Damilari Joshua from Harlow Academy, and this is going to be the part 2, the module 2 of Introduction to Java, and we'll be discussing in this class variables and data type. Now basically, variables refers to a symbol, a word, or it can be a combination of a symbol and a word, and sometimes numbers, letters that represent a value. Now we are using a word in most cases to represent a particular value. Like we have in this case, we have my car is equal to 100,000. You can also have other situations. You can say my age is equal to 400. You can say you can have different types of variable basically. Now, whatever name you want to give to a variable has to be something you always remember, something that you can use for it that will be easy for you to identify. For example, if I want to assign the variable to let's say the number of bags that I have to, for example, name it bag known is equal to probably 45. For me to know that that's the number of bags that I have. Then assigning the variable declaration, we also have, after naming the variable, after naming the name you want to give to the variable, you have to declare it. In Java, for example, something like this, you have James is equal to 2. Let me take you to this section. And we have to create a new Java class. I want to use the previous one. So, not the previous, sorry, a new Java class. So, right click, new Java class. So, you can name it new class. And so, this is the name of the class, new class. Then we have to declare public static void main. So without doing that, and now if I have like I want to declare a variable, for example, like I said, you have, let's say, a string. I call it about it is equal to say my name is Damilari Joshua. So say my name is Damilari Joshua, and now decide to run this. Um, about that now. So it brings out my name is Damilari Joshua. So I'm actually using a this is the name of my variable, and this is the value, and it's being declared right here. So now concerning the other data types, we have boolean, byte, char, short, integer, long, float, double, and string. Now, basically, we make use of the boolean for conditional statements for comparison. So you have boolean which contains true or false. The byte is basically for small numbers. Char is used for single characters. Short is used for small numbers also, or small integers. Integers are numbers that are not too large. Long is used for large numbers. Float is basically used for decimals. Double is also used for decimals, but it's more approximation than or more decimal place than float. Then string contains a set of characters. So you have to declare whatever type of data you want to make use of. Now I'll quickly just give an example on let's say quickly give an example on integer. If for example I have set to declare an integer, say integer, and name it current a or to 2020. So and that to print that out. It print current a. Place it. Now if for example it's going to be containing a decimal like this, it's telling me an error. Why? Because an integer cannot contain decimals. But if I should copy this and I paste it there and I change this to the floats, I have to add f to this because now it is a float. Okay, I'm having the same name, so I just have to change this to 2. Yeah, and I would have to delete this decimal from here. If not, my code will know. Oh, sorry, I never printed this. I have to print this also. Print year 2, current year 2. So there we go. And now see the difference between the float and the integer. The integer is for decimal, while float integer is for whole number, while float is for decimal. And we also have lastly, like I said, double. So double, if you are going to be dealing with double, can write it this way. Then add this. So, and I'm going to quickly show you a difference between the float and double quickly. I'm going to add some numbers to this. If I'm going to, for that of double, I don't need to add any lit after the numbers. So I'm quickly going to see when I run this. See, the double is having larger approximation. This is for year 2, which is a float, only approximated 4 decimal place here. But the double is actually approximating it to about see the larger decimals actually. So that is it for variables and data types. You have to always declare it before they can be used for whatever purpose you want to do. Please don't forget to subscribe to the YouTube channel and don't forget to click the like button. See you in our next class. Have a nice day.